Did you know that Russians are developing a robot dog and arming it with a grenade launcher? That's just the tip of the iceberg. Today, we are diving deep into Russia's wild world of combat robots, from super soldier droids to tank-like machines that travel 1,000 kilometers. But are these machines the future of war, or just cheap copies of existing tech? Join us as we explore the ethics, the engineering, and who's really winning the robot arms race. Meet Fodor, the Russian human-like robot engineered for highly dangerous scenarios and space exploration. Developed by Russian specialists, Fodor is equipped to function autonomously or under operator control via a specialized suit. Primarily tasked with rescuing individuals in dire conditions, like collapsed structures and venturing into space, Fodor has gained attention for its unique capability to shoot with both hands. However, this feature has sparked controversy, leading to sanctions against the robot from across the world. Upon discovering this robot, foreign companies halted the supply of components crucial for Fodor's functionality, such as gears, sensors, engines, cameras, and computers. Despite this setback, Fodor's development persists as its creators pivot towards domestic alternatives. The project kicked off in 2014, unveiling to the public in 2016. Remarkably, Fodor's capabilities include using a key to unlock doors, operating fire extinguishers, and wielding saws. Moreover, Fodor demonstrates proficiency in driving cars and executing both transverse and longitudinal splits, earning it a world record. Standing at 180 centimeters tall and weighing between 105 and 106 kilos, Fodor represents a significant advancement in the field of robotics, especially in Russia. Russia is not ending it there. At the Army 2022 Arms Exhibition in Moscow, another innovative Russian creation was unveiled. M81, a robot dog armed with a grenade launcher. Designed and manufactured by the Russian company Intellect Machine, it is made to specialize in robotics, weaponry, and artificial intelligence. This canine-like design has exceptional shooting accuracy and efficient weapon transportation. In civilian contexts, it is able to carry out important roles in emergency situations, conducting reconnaissance, navigating debris, and delivering medical supplies. In combat scenarios, it takes tasks that include target designation, patrolling, and security operations, showing its multidimensional utility on the battlefield. But there is a catch. The United States suspects that this Russian robot dog, equipped with a grenade launcher, is a replica of a Chinese model. This suspicion arises from the striking resemblance between the Russian M81 and the Unrai Yushu technology dog, produced by Unitree Robotics in China, which has been available for purchase online since 2007 at a modest price of $100. To obscure its origins, the M81 is veiled in fabric, suggesting an attempt to conceal its true source. These observations lead to the claim, as stated in a publication, that it appears highly unlikely that the robot was developed by a Russian manufacturer. This discrepancy raises questions and speculation regarding the authenticity and origins of the Russian avatar robot development. On the other hand, Russia has outlined plans to create an avatar robot within the next decade, with ambitions to replace human soldiers on the battlefield. This robot can be designed in two forms: anthropomorphic, resembling a human, or non-anthropomorphic, deviating significantly from human characteristics. In this case, operators may experience unconventional sensations, such as a leg functioning similar to a caterpillar track. The developers aim to equip this robot with functionalities comparable to those of humans, envisioning a machine capable of independently interacting with human infrastructure, navigating challenging terrains, providing essential aid during emergencies, and proficiently operating vehicles. The beginnings of this development are traced back to 2015, when the first generations of humanoid robots capable of shooting and driving were introduced. These robots are controlled by operators who manipulate a specialized arm for firing. The potential of these avatar robots to supplant human soldiers is quickly advancing, signaling a transformative shift in military operations. However, the possibility of their widespread adoption globally remains uncertain. While Russia's steps in advancing robotic technology are noteworthy, it is speculated that pioneering countries like the United States and China may be the first to manufacture and deploy such groundbreaking technologies on a global scale. This prediction casts doubt on whether Russia's avatar robot development, despite its aspirations, will emerge as the frontrunner in revolutionizing military tactics and strategies. The competition to use robots for the military is getting stronger. This shows how important it is to come up with new ideas and plan ahead for how wars will be fought in the future. Russia's Uran-9 stands as a remarkable ground-based drone on the global stage, showcasing a scary firepower. This unmanned combat vehicle has a striking resemblance to infantry fighting vehicles, measuring around 4.5 meters long and 2 meters wide, with a hefty combat weight of 10 tons. Its armament is impressive, featuring a 30mm automatic cannon, 2 A-72 guns paired with a 7.62mm machine gun, and missile launchers equipped with 120 Ataka anti-tank missiles, which can be swapped out for AGA anti-aircraft missiles if necessary, enhancing its air defense capabilities. Additionally, 6 reactive flamethrowers, known as Shmel, are positioned at the rear of the gun turret, adding to its formidable arsenal. What sets the Uran-9 apart is its combat experience, having been deployed in real operations in Syria, where its developers claim it proved its effectiveness. While the specifics of its performance in the Syrian conflict remain undisclosed, the testing of this combat robot in an actual combat environment highlighted certain challenges inherent in such advanced technology. While countries like the United States, the United Kingdom, and France are actively pursuing the development of combat robots to minimize human casualties in warfare, Russia initially faced some technological lag in this domain. However, the introduction of the Uran-9 has significantly narrowed this gap, proving Russia's strides in advancing its military robotics capabilities to match those of its Western counterparts. Cernik, an armored tracked vehicle, is made to be versatile in its roles that include reconnaissance, patrolling, guarding, demining, and delineation. It operates in manual, automatic, and direct control modes, weighing under 7 tons and reaching speeds of up to 40 km/h. With a range of 10 kilometers and remote visibility, it's adaptable for various operations. As a fire support vehicle, it transports ammunition, fuel, and evacuates wounded, with an armored hull resistant to gunfire up to 7.62mm caliber. It features interchangeable combat modules armed with machine guns, grenade launchers, and anti-tank missiles, and can install a high-speed 30mm cannon and anti-aircraft NCTA missiles. The NCTA combat robot is a sophisticated system of robotic components, all managed by a single human operator. This operator can choose to control the robot from a safe distance or accompany it directly on the battlefield. The robot's operations, along with its weapons, are coordinated from a command post, which can be situated in various locations, including within an armored vehicle or at a fixed position. Prior to engaging in combat, detailed maps of the area and strategic targets are uploaded into the robot system. During battle, the Special Forces don't need to micromanage every movement of the robot. Instead, they simply select tasks by pressing buttons. The primary purposes of this robot are diverse, including reconnaissance missions, targeting enemy positions, and swiftly delivering essential supplies and ammunition to designated areas marked as high priority. Its versatility and capability make it a valuable asset in modern warfare, aiding in both offensive and defensive operations while reducing risks to human soldiers. The Marker robot is an impressive tank-like machine on tracks. It can travel super far, up to 1,000 kilometers, carry heavy loads, and even help move hurt or injured civilians and soldiers to safety. Built for both open battlefields and city streets, this robot has been tested in training and real fights, doing really well according to the manufacturers. With the ability to operate either remotely or autonomously, Marker offers flexibility in its deployment. Its autonomous mode is said to enable continuous operation for up to 50 hours or cover vast distances of 1,000 kilometers while consuming 30.5 liters per hour. Moreover, its ability to autonomously load and unload cargo using a hydraulic manipulator adds to its utility and efficiency in logistical tasks. Finally, the Russian robotic platform M stands as a remotely controlled armored machine mounted on tracks. Armed with a grenade launcher and a machine gun system, it allows engagement in combat from a safe distance, minimizing direct exposure to enemy fire. Primarily made for reconnaissance, target detection, and providing fire support, this platform also fulfills roles in patrolling and securing vital equipment. Enhancements in the latest model include differentiated armor for improved protection, enabling it to withstand different threats encountered in different operational environments. Additionally, its ability to conduct nighttime combat operations shows its tactical advantage. All right, that's all we had for today on Russia's robotic revolution. These war machines are raising serious questions about the future of warfare. Unfortunately, Russia has not shown any signs of slowing down these advancements. What do you think? Are robot armies the way to go or a recipe for disaster? Leave your thoughts in the comments below and hit that subscribe button for more tech deep dives. Until next time, stay safe and thanks for watching.